Welcome back, everybody. How was that? Was that pretty good?
Good.
Okay. Today we are going to be testing the STIs, 60 to 130, and we'll be using the Draggy device provided by Dad here.
It's kind of like a V-Box. So V-Box is kind of old school stuff, but Draggy came out with this component or device, I guess, that does the same thing just for a lot cheaper. And yeah, it just connects to a phone-based app, and then on here, once it connects, using satellite GPS coordinate location of where you're at, it'll do 0 to 60, 60 to 130, a quarter mile, eighth mile, kind of whatever you want. Really, it does it all.
So there it is. There you have it. Go buy one. Draggy, sponsor this video. I'm broke. I drive a Subaru. We're gonna go get some drinks and, well, not drinks, but good stuff. Good stuff that you're allowed to drink while you're driving. Where is he? Oh, there he is. There he is, right there. Gapped. Start second or what?
Yeah, I would try second first. You're good. 7.12 is your 60 to 130.
That's it?
That's what it said.
Okay, first one, started in second. No, 30 would be good. We're starting at 60, obviously. The time was a 7.712. Pretty good for having, a passenger. This thing's got tools in the back. It's already, not gutted like everybody else's Evo and Honda. Sorry. Anyway, we're gonna try to try and stay in third, start in third. We're gonna try and get this in the sixes because that is my goal today. Second update, third year. I mean, it was pretty consistent. Was from what it's showing, 7.14. At this point, maybe we'll try and, I guess, get into it earlier, but it's really hard. I guess from third, I think it's just hard to get into full boost at 60. I don't know.
Yeah.
Like without staying in second, but. If that makes sense.
Big turbo life.
I know. Anyway, we might try it one more time. I should just fucking gut this thing, dude. I really should.
Should probably pick up a half a second.
Dude, it's pick up like 5 seconds. It's got leather seats.
You want me to get out so you can hit a 6?
What?
Here he comes. Jeez, this shit's for sure.
Okay, we did it finally. Cut Steven out of the car. Sorry, but
I got my fat ass out of here.
Yeah,
and he managed a 6.
No, yeah, 6.75. Turned out super good. Exactly what we wanted. Can you see that?
I don't know. Focus.
I'm trying. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, there we go. And it's verified. Verified. Going downhill a little bit. I mean, what do you expect? Subaru, we need to go downhill. It's slow.
We need all the help we can get.
Right, exactly.
No.
So that worked out really well. Definitely room for improvement also, because we did see that the 60 to 70, right?
Yeah, so like comparatively to all 3 runs that we did, this last one, which was his best without me in the car, was actually had the slowest 60 to 70. It was 1.21 seconds just for those first 10 mile an hour, which tells me there's so much room that could be improved there probably. If he's either start in second, get a better shift in second, or if he can brake boost in third maybe. Yeah, probably a ton of time that can be taken off still.
That Draggy is sweet, dude. Everyone should go buy a Draggy. Everyone go buy a Draggy because you're all going to be faster.
And we're not even sponsored by Draggy.
Yeah, I know, seriously. They're not even sponsoring us because obviously we're not fast enough. But we'll be there one day, right? But, yeah, so we might do it again. Maybe, maybe not. If we do, keep you updated. Get an app, get a Draggy.
Might go get some food.
Get everything. Oh, that sounds so good.